In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Zoom. Achieving clear audio is crucial for effective communication, especially when you're on an important call or hosting a meeting. Let's dive into this straightforward process that will help you sound your best, even if there's a bit of chaos happening around you. First, let's get started by opening Zoom on your device. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile app, make sure you've signed into your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is look towards the upper right corner of the window where you'll see your profile picture. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, head on down to Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to locate the Audio tab. This is where most of the magic happens. Click on Audio, and you'll be taken to a screen filled with options related to how you hear and how you're heard during Zoom calls. In this section, take a look under the microphone heading. You'll find an option labeled Suppress Background Noise. This feature is designed specifically to help reduce unwanted sounds that might interfere with your meeting. Go ahead and click on it. Once you have activated this option, you'll see that there are multiple levels to choose from, each catering to different types of environments. You can select from options like low, medium, high, or auto. If you're in a relatively quiet room, the low setting might suffice. On the other hand, if you find yourself in a bustling environment, trying out medium or high could be more beneficial. Auto is a handy choice if you'd like Zoom to make that judgment for you, adapting to changes in background noise automatically. After selecting the level that suits your environment, it's a good idea to test your audio to make sure everything sounds crisp and clear. Zoom makes this easy for you by providing a built-in testing feature. Just look for the button that allows you to test your microphone and speaker setup. By doing this, you'll be able to confirm that your voice comes through nice and clean without any distractions. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now customized Zoom's audio settings to minimize background noise, ensuring a better experience for everyone on your call. Remember, these settings can always be adjusted, so feel free to tweak them as your environment changes. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.